Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I've been thinking about improving my English speaking skills.
That's a great goal. Speaking is crucial for language development. Have you identified any specific challenges you're facing?
Well, sometimes I struggle with pronunciation, and forming sentences feels a bit challenging.
Pronunciation is a common concern. Let's start with some basic exercises. Repeat after me: she sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Excellent. Now, let's work on sentence structure. How would you introduce yourself in English?
I am John. Nice to meet you.
Good effort. Let's refine that. Hello, my name is John. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Hello, my name is John. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Fantastic. Now, let's discuss daily routines. Describe a typical day in English.
I wake up at 7 a.m., have breakfast, then go to work.
Great start. Let's add more detail. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. After having a nutritious breakfast, I head to work.
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. After having a nutritious breakfast, I head to work.
Wonderful. To enhance fluency, try incorporating new vocabulary into your sentences. For instance, instead of just work, you could say, I head to the office or workplace.
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. After having a nutritious breakfast, I head to the office.
Perfect. Now, let's focus on natural conversations. Imagine you're meeting someone new. How would you initiate a conversation?
Maybe ask about their interests or what they do for a living.
Excellent approach. You could say, Hi, I'm John. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? This invites a more engaging dialogue.
Hi, I'm John. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Spot on. Remember, practice is key. Engage in conversations, listen to native speakers, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process.
Thank you for the guidance. I'll definitely work on these aspects.
You're welcome. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have more questions. Happy learning.
Hi again. I've been practicing, but I still find it challenging to understand native speakers when they talk quickly.
It's completely normal to face that challenge. Native speakers can sometimes speak quickly, and their pronunciation might vary. Let's work on improving your listening skills. How about we start with some listening exercises?
Sure, that sounds helpful.
I'll play a short audio clip, and you can try to pick up the words and phrases. Ready?
That was fast. I caught a few words, but I missed some.
No worries. Let's go through it together. Did you catch the main topic of the conversation?
I think they were talking about weekend plans, but I'm not sure.
Good observation. Now, let's break down the conversation. Listen again, and pay attention to keywords and context.
Okay, I think they mentioned going to a concert on Saturday and having dinner with friends on Sunday.
Exactly. You're improving. To further enhance your listening skills, try watching English movies or series with subtitles. It helps you associate spoken words with written ones.
That makes sense. I'll give it a try. But what if I still don't understand something?
Don't hesitate to pause, rewind, and listen again. You can also use online resources with transcripts to read along while listening. Over time, your ears will become more attuned to the language.
Thanks for the advice. It's reassuring to know there are ways to improve.
Absolutely. It's all part of the learning process. Remember, consistency is key. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more comfortable you'll become.
I'll keep practicing. Thanks for your support.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy learning.
Hi again. I've been working on my speaking and listening, but I'm still unsure about using idioms and expressions in conversations. They often confuse me.
Idioms can be tricky, but they add a lot of flair to your language skills. Let's dive into a few common ones. How about we focus on break a leg?
Break a leg? Isn't that something you say when someone is about to perform?
Exactly. It's a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance or an important event. Can you think of a situation where you might use this expression?
Maybe before a job interview or a presentation.
Perfect. You're catching on. Another one to consider is bite the bullet. Any idea what that means?
Isn't it about facing a difficult situation?
Spot on. It means to endure a painful or difficult situation with courage. For example, if you have to give bad news to someone, you might say, I had to bite the bullet and tell them.
Got it. Are there more expressions like these?
Absolutely. There's a whole world of idioms and expressions. How about we explore a couple more? For instance, hit the hay.
Does that mean to hit something?
Not quite. It's a casual way of saying to go to bed or go to sleep. You might say, I'm tired, I think I'll hit the hay.
Oh, that's interesting. What about burn the midnight oil?
Good one. It means working late into the night, often on a project or task. For instance, I have a deadline tomorrow, so I'll be burning the midnight oil tonight.
These expressions make conversations more colorful. I'll try to incorporate them.
That's the spirit. Idioms add personality to your language. Practice using them, and soon they'll become second nature.
Thanks for explaining these. I'll make sure to break a leg in using them.
Nicely done with the pun. If you ever want to explore more idioms or have questions, feel free to ask. Keep up the good work.